I like playing with little cars, building roads and racing fast. No one around, it's time for transformations. We are little monster cars. We are looking for adventures. Play with us, play like us. We are Mocha's beep, beep, beep. We are Mocha's monster cars.
Hi, Boo.
Mochas! Oi! I'm Mochas! Mocha!
Little cars play ball. Boo, do you want to play with your friends? Oh, the cars knocked over a glass with pencils. Good job, cars. Everything's back where it should be. Oh, now the ball hit the books. The books also need to be put away. Cray, what are you doing?
Oh? Jump! Jump!
A trampoline? Jump! Mochas!
Yay!
This trampoline is higher. X jumps very high, and Cray goes higher.
Higher!
X prepares to jump from the highest trampoline.
Oh, yoo-hoo!
Who will try to jump higher? Gru?
Oh? Oh? Wow!
That's a jump.
Oh! Oh! Gru fell!
Mochas, help! Gru flew in the bucket. We need to get him out. Cars, will you help Gru?
Yep.
Transformation.
Cray the crane extends a long line and drags the bucket. Boo grabs from below. It worked!
Thanks.
Mochas! Yes, Bussy, move the bucket back. And remove everything else. Can you?
Transformation.
The cars put the books and blocks back. Boo pushes 2 large blue blocks and picks up the book. Done! The blocks are in place. Good job, cars! Do you want to play ball again?
Yes! Mochas! Mochas!
I like playing with little cars, building roads and racing fast. No one around, it's time for transformations. We are little monster cars. We are looking for adventures. Play with us. Play like us. We are Mocha's beep, beep, beep. We are Mocha's monster cars.
Look! Cray is putting together a pyramid. A purple ring. Green.
Hey-ya.
Yellow. Red. There aren't enough rings.
No.
Oh, X is playing with it.
Ring. Oh.
Oh, X doesn't want to give the ring to Cray. Boo is asking his friends not to fight. It's better to have a crossbow competition. Whoever gets the most points gets the ring. There's a round target with numbers on the bed. Gru has a crossbow with arrows that have suction cups. Gru hit the number 3.
Yeah. Good. Oh, good. Oh. Lucas.
X shoots first. 1. You got 1 point. Now Cray shoots. Load the crossbow.
Hop. 2.
Cray earned 2 points.
Wow.
X earned 1 point, then 2 points. 1 plus 2 is 3. Cray missed. He doesn't get points. Bussy shows a block with a 0. X has 4 points now. Cray aims carefully.
Hey.
3 and 2 makes 5.
Wow. You.
Cray gets the ring. X, don't be upset. You can help your friends build a tower of blocks. X decided to knock down the tower of blocks with an arrow. Ring! Bussy will put a ring on the pyramid. First blue, then red. Then the yellow bear on top. Well done, Bussy.
I like playing with little cars, building roads and racing fast. No one around, it's time for transformations. We are little monster cars. We are looking for adventures. Play with us. Play like us. We are Mocha's beep, beep, beep. We are Mocha's monster cars.
Jessie came in with a new toy. It's a train.
Ooh, Bulldozer, open the box. Pew! Truck, you carry the parts. Crane, forward. Extend the boom. Truck to unloading. Excavator, unload the parts. Bus, you'll ride on the new train. Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Jessie, please put away the dishes.
Coming.
Transformation.
Oh, X is moving. Boo,
Let's put the train together.
Oh, yes!
Transformation.
Cray pulls the engine chassis and the other train cars out of the box. Cars take them to the railroad. First chassis. Second. Third. And fourth. Cray gets the parts. Gru, get the bed ready. X puts a black platform on the chassis. He hits it to make sure it's well fastened. Bussy brought small parts. Boo brought the engine compartment. And the engineer's cabin. The engine is ready. X puts it on the rails.
Transformation.
Look! X is ready to ride.
Yay!
Bussy will ride too.
Push or pull.
Forward.
It worked! The train is moving. Boo and Cray build the last train car. They need to attach the train cars to the engine.
Transformation.
Reverse. Brake.
The engine's ready. Get on!
Grow is strong.
Gru is very strong. He managed to start the train.
I like playing with little cars, building roads and racing fast. No one around, it's time for transformations. We are little monster cars. We are looking for adventures. Play with us, play like us. We are Mocha's beep, beep, beep. We are Mocha's monster cars.
playing in the garden behind the house.
Transformation.
Little Bussy is playing with a ball.
Ball! Like that! Ha-ha! Ball! Ball!
It seems all cars also want to play with Bussy. The cars toss the ball to each other. It's a fun game. X, why'd you throw it so far? Look, it went into the pond.
Oh no, the pond!
Boo tries to get the ball with reeds. It didn't work. The ball's too far away. Boo jumps onto a water lily to reach the ball. Oh no! The water lily is sinking! Bussy thought of something. Cars, follow!
Ship!
The cars decided to build a boat to reach the ball.
Transformation.
To build a boat, many different parts are needed. Gru loads parts into his bed. X uses his bucket. Bussy also brought parts. Look, the cars made a big rectangle. Gru brought more parts to make the mast. What's Bussy looking for? A sail! X pushes the boat into the water. It floats! X rows with his bucket instead of an oar. He's very clever. There's the ball. Get it, cars! Good job, X. Ah, while X was getting the ball, Cray and Gru made a soccer goal. The cars set the goals up on the field.
Transformation.
The match is starting.
Hey, shot. Oh, score!
Voice talents.
David Cleveland Brown.
And Jana Polzin.